Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and I'm a little disturbed about something today. I got my hands on this. This is a blaster from Walmart, 31 and change. What's interesting about this is how many packs are in the box. This is getting ridiculous. First, we got 8 cards, 8 packs with an oversized. Was it 2021? It was 7 packs with 7 cards per pack, and you got no oversized. If you wanted the one with the oversized, you only got 6 packs. Which is crazy, because the oversized doesn't have as much value as the original Young Gun. I mean, I got a Stamco's Young Gun Jumbo, as they call them. But I don't have a Stamco's Young Gun. And I'm not getting very much for my Stamco's Jumbo either. So, now, this year, as Ziri was pointing out, 6 packs with no oversized, 5 packs per box if you have the oversized. This is getting ridiculous. Now, I'm only going to get 1 Young Gun out of here. Maybe 2 if I'm lucky and if it's the right blaster in the goddamn case. But anyways, here we go. Let's open this up and see what we got. It's getting ridiculous. I don't think I want to go for blasters anymore. It's going to hurt the blaster market, that's for sure. So here we go. 5 packs because I got an oversized. It'd be 6 packs if I didn't have the oversized. And the oversized Young Gun is Jeremy Swayman. Well, that's not too bad, but as I said, it's an oversized and they're not as valuable as the regular Young Guns. So I'm sort of getting gypped on this. I don't think I'm going to be getting blasters anymore. So let's open up and let's see what cards we get. This is the first box that I've gotten for the 21-22 or so. Oh my god, the packs are not very easy to open either. Okay, so we got Justin Schultz, Jonathan Gibson, Silverberg, Farabee, and we got a debut dates of Arthur Kiliev, Jesper Bratt, Tyler Johnson, and Jake Allen. That's first pack. Jordan Stahl, Chandler Stevenson, Seth Jones, and a Young Guns of Daniel Walcott. Adam Fox, Vladimir Tarasenko, Dadonov, and JT Miller. Well, that's my one Young Gun, eh? Well, 2 packs, 2 inserts so far. Gotta look at the bright side. And we got Josh Anderson, Lars Eller, DeMello, Hischler, Morrissey, and Weegar, Ryan Pollock, and John Tavares base pack. Spoke too soon. Okay, we got Rasmus Dahlin, Victor Arvidsson, Michael Bunting, and I was on the Leafs. See, he's needs an update. And Jack Hughes, Raw on a Roll. And Jack Hughes Dazzler. Oh, and a checklist. Max Domi and Griezlick. Mackenzie Blackwood, Victor Hedman, Zuccarello, Varlamov, Eli Tobelvin, Falk, Gord, and Trouba, another base pack. So there you have it, guys. It's a nice short video. I got 4 inserts. Arthur Kaliev, what was that? Debut dates, and Daniel Walcott, Young Guns, and Jack Hughes, Hall of Fame, Honor Roll, and Jack Hughes Dazzler. And I guess let's not forget our jumbo of Jeremy Swayman. Well, that's it. I won't be buying any more of those blasters. I don't recommend them. You know, 5 packs. I mean, you get 1 Young Gun. And I think you have to, like, what? There's probably 30 in a case, 25 in a case, 20 in a case. I don't know. But it'd be every 20th, whatever. You'd get a second, maybe. That's really stupid. Upper Deck, smarten up. Okay, I want to remind everybody, our contest is still going. As soon as we get to 100 subscribers, $100 worth of cards is going to be for somebody, with 4 big hits. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Once we get 100 subscribers, our first giveaway is going to happen. And if you want something to add, put it in the comments. Let us know what you think. Okay, well, that's it, guys. I'll see you next break. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.